Hi, Tony here again from Bathroom Spare Parts. Today we're going to look at flush valves. We're going to be showing you some Dudley valves, but these valves cover all manufacturers, will have a very similar style, but we're going to go for a cable operated one, we're going to go for a pneumatic one, and then just a standard button one. Right, it's a very simple valve this. Twist and lock to get it out, as you can see, makes the washer accessible. That snaps in there. There is your adjustment for your flush, how much water is flushing in there. And you've got half flush and full flush, and a good length to adjust for your button. So obviously where your cistern lid sits, that can be cut down and used. So that's a fairly nice simple bit of kit. Right, the next one is a Victoria cable operated dual flush. So if I can show you that first, same as usual, turn it to access the washer, lock it back to that point. Again, there's your adjuster for the amount of water you're flushing, and then we got the adapter, which I'll show you with a button. So you just push that in and let it go. That locks it in place, and then hopefully you can see that's your flushing mechanism. Right, this is another option which is really useful from Dudley. Same, as you can see, same way to work, except that they've now put a button type lever action rather than spring one. So in the system, adjustable, both of them, that and that. So that's a really nice bit of kit. Right, and lastly we've got the Niagara pneumatic one, which so uses air hoses. This one doesn't come with a button's separate. Let's have a look. So standard, as we all know by now, twist, unlock, access the washer, adjustable, overflow, get that where you want. Now to adjust the flush on this is this yellow disc. You snap it and then you can adjust the height, how much water is coming in. So into the, obviously in the flush, then you just, when you got the right position, you lock. Then we got the hoses which go on these little outlets, hopefully you can see, and opposite there's another little outlet. So that's the workings.